Nice view. Anyone been there would definitely had an immortal memoirs. Good view, good staff. Relax and chill. For those who want to run away from the chaotic modern city, please check in at this hotel and you can really appreciate the beautiful scenery of the Lake Toba. Just imagine, when you open the window, the scenery like a postcard. Enjoy the romantic moment with your loved one. You can take a ferry ride to Samosir Island. Terrace, AA. Good place, very good. It's nice trip and nice hotel. Everyone like it. It's nice place. I recommended it to all my friend. Lovely hotel. It's very beautiful feature of this hotel. The pool very big. And near to Toba Lake. Toba Lake is very beautiful. Lovely hotel. It's very beautiful feature of this hotel. The pool very big. And near to Toba Lake. Toba Lake is very beautiful. Exceptional nice view near Lake Toba, clean and good for stay. The view from my room was pretty awesome. The view of Lake Toba from my room was pretty awesome. Just open up my window and I can see the panoramic view of Lake Toba. The environment was awesome too. It's quiet and safe too. The view from the swimming pool was great. We can see the Lake Toba from the poolside. The breakfast was simple but enough for travelers like me. I don't take heavy breakfast. Great location and good rooms. A beautiful picturesque location. The view from our room, superior room facing the lake, was amazingly breathtaking. Rooms were cleaned every day by the staff. Food was good. More options for vegetarians should be included in the menu. Overall a very satisfying and relaxing place to stay. Great view. Although their English was sometimes limited, the staff were really lovely. I had a superior room which had a balcony overlooking the lake, with nothing in between to disturb the view. The room itself was fine, no air conditioning but you don't need it. The hotel was right next to the jetty where the boats leave to go to Tuk-Tuk and Tamuk, which was really convenient. The continental breakfast was a bit basic, but the food in the restaurant during the day was fine. Having a pool was also a nice extra. Nice hotel. The hotel is old design but so comfortable. Swimming pool is good and the view is amazing. Great Lake Toba view. It's a nice hotel with a great view of Lake Toba. However, the rooms are a little bit run down, especially the toilet. Perhaps require some refurbishment. Overall my experience staying here was good. Good scenery. It was very relaxed staying next to the Lake Toba. Balcony is facing to the lake and mountain, very nice view and relax. This is one of the best hotel at Samosir Island. Nice scenery, nature. You won't find very luxury hotel at the island. This hotel is a good choices. It locates beside the island, just next to the lake. You can take the boat from Parapat to this resort. Very good scenery, friendly staff. Simple and good breakfast. It was very relaxed holiday. Perfect location to enjoy Toba Lake. Me and my family stayed in Danau Toba International Cottage for a night on 27th of May 2013. We got 4 rooms next to each other and on the ground floor right in front of Toba Lake. The scenery was awesome. The Toba Lake was right in front of our rooms. It was quiet and safe as we left our windows and doors open most of them when we strolled along the lake. We hired a speedboat to Samosir Island and the speedboat picked us up right in front of our rooms. There was no fridge in the room. As I needed to keep my son's medication in the fridge, I have asked one of the staff to keep it. The staff was very helpful. In fact, before he went home as his shift was over on the next day, he came to our room to remind us not to forget about the medicines. Small suggestion to the hotel, I hope they can variety the breakfast as the choice was limited. Only fried rice and bihun was served that day. I was expecting some local food like lontong or pachal smile. Overall, our stay there was great.